Let's have a tutorial on copy with maze in SOLIDWORKS. Hi, this is Dr. Iman. Welcome to Academy. If you ever wished for a quicker way to replicate your assembly components with all the right mates, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive in and see how you can make your assembly process even more efficient using copy with mates feature in SOLIDWORKS. I've prepared a simple assembly consisting of a plate and a single bolt. Okay, first we'll insert the initial bolt and apply the necessary mates. I have the bolt here and I have the plate here. So the mates that I need is one concentric between this face and also this face. And we actually use mates to do that. So by default, SOLIDWORKS would create concentric mate for me. And then another mate I need, I can actually move this away. And then I apply coincident mate with this, the bottom face of the counter bore and also the bottom face of the head of the bolt. So, and then now I have the coincident. So I just added the two mates in there to insert the bolt into. Okay, so for the next step, we can actually do it two ways. One is the traditional way, and in a traditional way, we can just insert more bolts into our model and one by one apply the mates of concentric and coincident to each one of them. This is not the fastest and the most efficient way, okay? We don't want to do this. We want to streamline our assembly process in a much more efficient way. So we're going to use the copy with mates feature. Okay, how do we do that? To do this, we right click on the bolt and then select copy with mates. So in the new window, right, we can see that this is a step one. We have already selected the component. Okay, so we click on this arrow. So we go to the next step. So the next step is to go with the, we can see the two mates that we have. So now we need to actually go to the next hole and select these mates one by one. So the first mate I want to select is the concentric mate. So I click on this and then right away the bolt is going to be placed in the hole with that concentric mate. Then I can choose the seat and then done. So now I have a new bolt inserted in a new hole. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna click on the check mark and then now I can actually go to the next hole. So again, the next hole, I can just repeat this and then click on the seat, done. So that's actually how we can add multiple bolts to our model. Okay, that's it for our short tutorial on copy with maze. Thanks for watching. Bye.